And actually me khale ke sa shoot video installation why le sambot like or le sha bonone ale sa mberekisa ne. Wait, I get to I neka para weekend because I get me rear. So I'll be installing this girl. Ke mo dai la itse re ka installa ra ngela itse re ke installa me rear ka customize ke ra me tlhole motlhe I do week maintenance cho me ka di treater ka di tlhatsa me tlhole motlhe eo. Even you go go ile week ya from scratch ke tlhatlhamolla cho me ka isongola no sauce snacks. And if you want like the best result from your installation, make sure, especially if you are going to be installed by Nna, make sure how prior to the date of your installation, especially if you want styling. If you want styling, we is about 2 days, 3 days before installation date. Yeah, how I use this. And then also, I want to advise each and every person, especially about the wiki to come get your wig customized, guys. The lacy talent they are bora. Skatogra lacy itletse mo pele mo hairlining ili rich. Remember lace front. Kya hoira illusion ya hore miriri eo e tsama scalpong sa hao. So hairline ya hao itletse wa itore hairline ya hao e feditse ke misamela ba shimane choma ke re tsentsa misamela. Wa itore hairline ya hao e feditse ke misamela ba shimane ba ntse ba tshintshang enene o nyoko behave o ka re wena like dilo tse dintse di a bora shome. Isa miriri ya hao ke customizer o saka. Over on I was like go bleach the notes. If I don't bleach the notes, go gotlhe ka installation engwe go tsi thata e massive tshwe me ke teng ke ba reka di appointment felang please motho a tlo makala a makatsa go hore e bona lacy e meletse wow tshimele le lacy le le nang ka makala yo ene tshwe me bana ba lena ba tsa monna ba re tsego jo khopela o thuse batho ba rena tshwe me ba ra wena kana go ba ra nna ke tle o thusa ka installation chum and I go to sana o to installa monna ke re wa ke installa batho me o tla ke to install. And this is the final look. Let's go a lace is a lace, so it will always remain a lace because of it's a lace. We are just trying to have an illusion that it's almost scalping, even though it's almost scalping, but you know, just an illusion. It won't kill. Otherwise, little ke tlo install nka install like a week maintenance ka di tlhatsa ka customizer ke ra le makeup le searching on Instagram men's_aesthetics ne